Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today's recipe is delicious Kashmiri Dum Aloo that you can make easily with no onion, no garlic. To start with, first boil the potatoes. Here I have taken small potatoes, boil the potatoes 80% and then peel it and let it cool down. After that, take one toothpick and poke through the potatoes as I am showing you here. It will help the gravy to go properly inside the potatoes. Do the same thing with all the potatoes. After poking all the potatoes, set the potatoes aside and now we'll start preparing the oil for frying. In a pan or kadai, add mustard oil. In this recipe, mustard oil is recommended. It will give a nice taste. Once the oil is hot, start frying the potatoes on low medium flame and do not touch the potatoes until it's slightly brown from the outer side. After that, flip it over and fry the potatoes on low medium flame. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's crispy. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Lal Mirch, and this is the crushed ginger, but in this recipe the ginger powder is recommended. After that, mix everything. Make sure there is no lumps. You can add the red chili powder if you want to give it a spicy taste. And now after mixing it, set it aside. Now we'll check the potatoes and you have seen within 6 minutes the potatoes are nice and crispy. We are looking for this type of color. These are nice and brown and crispy from outside. Remove these potatoes and now fry the second batch in the similar way on the low medium flame. And the second batch is also done. Remove the fried potatoes in a plate. Make sure not to remove these on the kitchen towel, otherwise these became soggy, so set these aside now. Now here I have taken some whole spices, 1 big cardamom, 2 small green cardamoms and 2 cloves. You can take 4 cloves also, and now crush this with the help of this type of hand mortar. And now remove this in a bowl. Now for this recipe I am cooking this into the pressure cooker. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add these whole spices that we have crushed, 1 bay leaf. Now saute it for about couple of seconds so that it releases all the aroma in the oil and give a nice taste. 1 pinch of asafoetida or hing. Quickly stir it. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame at this point. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give it a quick mix. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame when you are adding the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Again give it a quick mix. Now add the yogurt mixture that we have prepared with the dry ingredients. After adding this mixture, give it a quick mix. Once you have mixed everything, add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, and now cook this gravy on low flame for about 7 to 8 minutes and or until it leaves the oil. And you have seen after 8 minutes it starts leaving the oil. Now cook it for about a minute and then start adding the fried potatoes inside the gravy. After adding the potatoes, gently coat all the potatoes with the gravy as you have seen here. Cook it for about a minute. After that, add 1 cup of water in it, but you can adjust the quantity of water according to the thickness you want in the gravy. And now give it a quick mix. Make sure not to broke the potatoes while mixing the potatoes with the gravy. Once you are satisfied with the gravy, you can check the salt at this point. And now cover the lid of the pressure cooker and take 2 whistles on low medium flame, and then I will show you. So now it's been 15-20 minutes. The pressure is automatically released. Now I will show you how it's properly done. Open the lid and wow, how good it's smelling, and you have seen by the color the gravy is also perfectly done because it's released all its oil. So that's the indication of the perfect Kashmiri dum aloo. And now I will show you the gravy, and this is how it looks like. And now remove this into the serving bowl. When you are cooking this, make sure to fry the potatoes on low medium flame until it became crispy, and use the fennel seeds powder. You can use more than 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds powder because this is the main ingredients of the recipe. And you can serve this Kashmiri dum aloo with rice and Indian flatbread. And if you like this recipe of authentic Kashmiri dum aloo without onion, garlic, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.